The 2024 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio proves that Alfa Romeo can deliver stunning performance in an SUV. With a few years left for its internal combustion engine, this final version continues to impress with its dynamic driving experience and striking design. The Stelvio's design remains largely unchanged, with subtle updates like new headlamps inspired by the Tonale. The iconic Alfa triangular grille and strong haunches give it a distinctive look, while the rear maintains an elegant SUV appearance. Under the hood, the Stelvio Quadrifoglio boasts a twin-turbocharged 2.9-liter V6 engine, now producing 520 PS. The mechanical limited-slip differential enhances power delivery, making it agile on the road. Its retuned suspension improves comfort without sacrificing its sporty nature. Inside, the Stelvio features a fully digital instrument cluster and updated materials. The 8.8-inch touchscreen is user-friendly, though not groundbreaking. Standard seats offer comfort, but upgrading to Sparco Sport seats is recommended for better support. The Stelvio Quadrifoglio comes well-equipped with a 14-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, dual-zone climate control, and more. While the infotainment system is improved, it remains basic compared to rivals. The Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio remains a standout in its class, offering unmatched style and driving pleasure. As Alfa's internal combustion era nears its end, this SUV ensures a memorable farewell.
Nice trip.